Hey, good morning, everyone. A very warm welcome to the opening ceremony of HackTheChain hackathon, the first ever hackathon being organized in Indian Institute of Information Technology, Kota. I hope you all are as excited as we are for beginning with this kickoff event. So before moving forward, let me give you my brief introduction. I am Ankur Agrawal. I'm GDSC lead at IIIT Kota and Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. Along with Vinamr, I am also an event organizer in this hackathon. And we'll be walking you through this presentation to let you know what all things that we'll be covering in this 48-hour long hackathon. So before any further delay, let me go through the next slide. So here are the agenda that we'll be covering in this presentation. First, we'll be walking through what HackTheChain is, then what various tracks it offers, the rules and regulation, the schedule for the hackathon, what all sponsors that we have, and what all prizes these sponsors are offering to you. And then at last, there will be some important announcements, and then we can begin with the coding part. So one more thing I want to tell you that if you have any doubt, you can definitely ask on the chat window, or you can message us too on our Discord server. So do check out our Discord server and join it for updated notifications. Okay. So if I talk about what HackTheChain is, so HackTheChain is a 48-hour long hackathon organized by Google DSC Club and Codebase Club of IIIT Kota. The major aim is to bring the tech enthusiasts, developers, and entrepreneurs throughout the world to collaborate and work in a team in order to build some cutting-edge projects. So basically, the objective of this hackathon is that you can gain experience by working in a team and collaborating with others, so that you can make some real-world projects which you can definitely show it in your resume, and you can get some recognition through those projects. Apart from it, we'll be having mentorship sessions for you all. So do check out our Discord server, because everything will be there and every updates will be pushed to the server only. After that, we'll be providing you the opportunity to present your project to a panel of judges, and potentially you can claim prizes according to that if you win or lose. Okay. So now, if I talk about what two tracks HackTheChain offers, so there are two tracks basically named Web3 track and Open Innovation track. In Web3 track, what you can do, you can build something using blockchain technology. And in Open Innovation, you can build any project using any technology. It can be web development, app development, ML, AI, or even blockchain also. The thing that you have to remember is, these projects, you should select a problem statement that is a real world problem. So it should not be like that you are making something which is like only a normal social media app or only a chat application. It should solve a real world problem, and the solution should be innovative. It is the basic judging criteria that we have. And before starting the hackathon at 11:30, we'll share the guidelines and the judging criteria on what basis you will be marked and on what basis you can score in the hackathon, right? So if I talk about now rules and regulation, I would recommend you to check our website first. On our website, there are detailed rules and regulations, so you can definitely check out it there. So the few important rules are mentioned over here. First of all, you have to submit your project on DevFolio, and make sure that you submit it well before time, because after the deadline, your project will not be accepted. Apart from it, make sure that you submit your original code. It should not be copied, because we have a strict jury, and there will also be a plagiarism checker. Okay, so these details will be shared to you after this opening ceremony. Apart from it, the submission details that you have to submit, you should give your project with a proper description. You will have to make a demo video, and you will have to submit your code repository, basically the GitHub link. Make sure that your GitHub repository should have a proper README and description, so that we can test your project on our systems as well. And we have the proper contact support for you all. If you face any difficulty while submitting your project to DevFolio, you can contact DevFolio. Otherwise, you can also contact the organizers of this hackathon. Apart from it, you can check out our Discord server. On Discord server, we'll be available for you all for the 48-hour duration. You can ping any one of us, including organizers and volunteers in the Discord server, right? So moving forward, we can see the schedule of the hackathon. Starting with the opening ceremony, we'll start the coding part from 11:30. Then we'll be having few workshops today by Eco3D and DigitalOcean. And from 8 p.m., we'll be having a doubt and mentorship session 1, which will be on Discord server. Right? For day 2, we have the schedule as we'll be having 2 fun events, CSS Battle and Kahoot Quiz. For these two, make sure you are on Discord server. The further announcement will also be given to you via email. And on Discord server, basically, you will get access to the meet link and all the rules and guidelines for these events. And we'll also have doubt and mentorship session 2 tomorrow at 5 p.m. Apart from it, at day 3, we have the submission deadline for 11 a.m. and at 5 p.m. we'll be having a closing ceremony. So make sure you follow the schedule. You'll have to submit your project on day 3 well before 11 a.m. Make sure you submit it well before time. And after that, you will be conveyed about what all things you have to remember and what all things you have to done post hackathon, right? And in the closing ceremony, we'll share about the judges and we'll share about the judging criteria and till when we'll be sharing the result. Apart from it, to move forward, I would like to invite Vinamr. For any sort of doubt, you can ask it in the chat session. We are live. And now, Vinamr, you can continue with the sponsorship part.
Hi guys, myself Vinamr. I'm the club coordinator of Codebase Club, and I am also the co-lead organizer of the hackathon along with Ankur. Now let's talk about the sponsors of our hackathon. Now coming to Polygon. Polygon is a world-renowned Web3 company that provides layer 2 scaling solutions for their Ethereum apps or blockchain apps, mainly Solidity-based apps. Then we have Devfolio. Devfolio is a hackathon partner which is helping us conduct this hackathon online and free for everyone. Then we have Solana. It is also a blockchain platform to help deploy decentralized applications. Then we have DigitalOcean. DigitalOcean is providing its free cloud credits for hosting and deploying your web applications and different databases. Replit is an in-browser IDE with feature of over 50 plus languages, and you can build your software on Replit if you don't want to set up your development environment locally. Then we have Filecoin. Filecoin is a decentralized storage network which helps you store your files. Then we have Eco3D. Eco3D is a 3D asset management library which is used in NFT based applications. Then we have Certopus. Certopus is also one of our sponsors, and Taskade. So Taskade is basically a 2-in-1 to-do list and task management platform with AI support. Then we have Avinya. Avinya is an Indian startup which is focusing on AI generative models. Then we have Exure and Rosenfield. Rosenfield is a ebook library basically. Then we have Wolfram Language is also one of our sponsors. Interview Cake and Interview Buddy, they provide interview resources for help cracking the coding interview and different types of interviews. Then we have CSS Battle. CSS Battle is a famous platform for conducting CSS competitions between two players or a multiplayer competition. Then we have Bceptor, Elon Markets. Elon Markets is an edutech company that is mainly providing courses based on financial knowledge and stock market. Then we have Cyberency, which is a web hosting platform. Now, this was the sponsor part which have sponsored our hackathon, and we would like to thank all of these. Next, we have come to prizes, which is the most exciting part of this hackathon. As you can see that we have a 20,000 rupees prize pool for the open to all track, and there are also 1.5 lakh rupees worth prizes for the Web3 tracks, the different tracks which are sponsored by the companies which we have seen in the previous slide. Now, for everyone, for every participant, we have exciting goodies and swags and different kind of rewards. There are free vouchers for various courses to continue your learning part, and there will be participation certificates for all participants. Now, I have to tell you some important announcements, or you can say some updates. First of all, to keep up with the latest announcements and updates, you have to join our Discord server and the social media handles of Google DSC and Codebase Club, so that you can stay on top of every notification. Then we have a social media challenge for everyone. If you have to participate in this challenge, you have to tag both GDSC and Codebase clubs on your post or stories, and we will feature the best posts on our social media handles. Next, we have mentor support. So we have experienced mentors here from both industry and college. and they are available on the Discord server every time to assist you with your doubts or queries or confusions regarding your software development. So you don't need to hesitate to reach out for help. Now let's talk about the organizers. Me, that is Vinamr, and Ankur and Himanshu are organizing this hackathon as the lead organizers. We are open to assistance for everyone. If you want some help or some any kind of support from the hackathon side or organizer side, you can definitely contact us by reaching out on Discord. We are the moderators, and then you can also ping on our socials. We have given our social details here, and we will also provide you with the PPT later on. So that's all from our side. Now let's get ready, buckle up, and get ready for the ultimate hackathon, which is going to be happening first time in a college. And let's begin the hacking part.
So it's a reminder that you should join our Discord server, because everything will be notified to you on our server only, and you can actually post your doubt, or you can call any mentor or any organizer for a voice call, so we can resolve your doubt at any time, right? So all the best to everyone, and let hacking begins. Thank you.